Hello people, it's Tom again, and this is my second unboxing video. Today I got my Maxton. It's the front fork cartridges. God, that was a difficult word to say. Cartridges. They're called SD25 and F4. So let's go and open up the box and see what I got from them. Okay. And disclaimer again, be careful with the sharp knives. This is like Christmas. It's always fun to get new parts. Okay, let's put the knife away and open up and see what we have here. Okay, lots of plastics. Okay, we have an instruction booklet. It's always nice. Okay, that was my information. Okay, and we have a manual here as well. Okay, I'll put those to the side and look at them later. Lots and lots of plastic. I wonder if there is anything here. Okay, here we go. I hope you can see this. Okay. There are the cartridges. And here is, I think that's the, what's in here, it's the box for some tools. Because you need some special tools to put the cartridges in the front shocks. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have here. Was that all? Yes, the box is empty. So let's see what we have here. Okay, I'll have to get the knife again. Carefully open it up. Okay. What I love is that people put enough packaging and wrappers so the postal companies, because they always manhandle all the packages so nothing gets destroyed. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm sorry for it's the plastic that's wraps that makes awful noise. Okay, so here we have the cartridges. These are a little bit special. I'll show you in a moment. These are custom made according to my weight. The springs are according to the weight I gave them and the information about my motorcycle, how much I weigh, and what kind of riding I do. And the thing that is interesting with these cartridges is that they are new. So you have on one fork, you have, hold on, let me see so I say this straight. You have a rebound on one fork and compression on the other. So that will be something new. Because normally with all bikes you have the one at the bottom of the fork often is a clicker, and then you have the preload, and if I remember correctly, it's the rebound clicker that's on the upside or the, what's it called? Well, on the upper side of the cartridge. So here we have the cartridges. And I'll probably make a video of me installing them and rebuilding my forks. And I'll also open up, this is a special toolkit that comes, that I need for to install these. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that was a lot of tape. Again, I hope you can understand my Finnish Formula1 rally English. As you can hear, English is not my first language, so, and it's been a long time since I've last spoken English, so It's not the greatest English. Wow, these look good. Okay, there you have the fork, and there's a special, I don't know what these are called in English, but so you can, this one goes over the end of the cartridge, so you can tighten it and open it up. And then the smaller one, this one, is when you set the preload. If you want more preload or less preload on the cartridges, that's the one you have to use, because I hope you can see this. The end of the bolt it's not your typical bolt end, so you need to have a special tool to screw this over. You can use an ordinary socket, but the risk is if you use an ordinary socket with these types, you will mess up the lovely color, I don't know what's it called, but well, anyway, as you can see, my English is not so good, so I'm trying my best here, so I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. But this is my 4 cartridges that I got. I've already have my rear shock. It's a new one. That's from Wilbur's. So this is what I'll be installing on my motorcycle, hopefully this weekend. The weather outside is pretty nasty. It's raining, and sometimes some days it's still snowing, so hopefully it will get warmer and I can take my bike out for a spin. But anyway, that's the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll bring an update video once I start to install everything. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.